How to add a public folder in Outlook. First, open Outlook. On the top left panel of Outlook, click on the More Apps icon. From the list, select Folders. Now, scroll down and look for Public Folder. Note: if the public folder does not appear, it might be because you are not using a business or enterprise plan. It will not show up in the personal plan, so keep that in mind. Now, let's create a public folder. Click the drop-down icon. Inside, you'll see all public folders. Click on its drop-down icon as well. Here you'll find the public folders. To create one, right-click on all public folders. Then from the list, select New Folder. In the Create New Folder window, first enter the name of the public folder. Below that, you'll see the Folder Contains section, where you can choose the type of items this folder will hold. By default, it is set to mail and post items. We'll keep it as is, but users can select other options if needed. Next, under Select Where to place the folder, choose the location where you want to add this public folder. Here, we are adding it to the default location in all public folders. Now, click the OK button. The folder has now been created. You can also add this folder to Favorites for quick access. To do this, simply right-click on the created public folder. From the list, select Add to Favorites. In the Add to Favorites window, click the Add button. Then, click the drop-down button of the Favorites folder. Inside the Favorites folder, you will now see the public folder we just created. Let's also try adding a public folder in Outlook Web. In Outlook Web, click on the three-dot button next to your account. Now in the list, click on Add Public Folder to Favorite. This will open the Add a Public Folder window. Click the drop-down beside all public folders. From there, choose any folder. After selecting the folder, go to the top and click Add Public Folder. Now, it has been added. And that's it. That's how you can add public folder in the Outlook.